Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mark here with M2M Detail, guys. In this video is going to be part 3 of the Passat window tint on the rear window. So if you guys saw the first 2 videos, first one was how to shrink it. We did a double shrink, so we're not going to be doing with fingers at the end. The second video was on how to remove the old tint. Kind of walk you through that. It is a time-lapse video, so not very detailed, but you do get to see how we got the tint off and prep the window. Right now, guys, we're going to clean the window about 2 more times before we install the tint. So I'm gonna put you guys on another time lapse to let you guys see how we're gonna prep the window before the tint install, and then I'll let you guys see the tint install. So we're gonna be doing a reverse roll, and that's really gonna help without making any creases or picking up contaminants as we're installing the film. A lot easier to handle if you're a one-man shop like we are here, Mark. It's a lot easier to do reverse roll on big windows. So that's how I do all my back windows and windshields. Everything's all reverse roll, unless I can easily get in the car. I'll do the zombie. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. As always, let's get into the video. All right, guys, so very difficult on the back window, guys. We still got a lot of not a lot of squeegeeing, but we do got a lot of fluid left behind. But just wanted to show you guys real quick that we do not have any fingers that we're going to be dealing with. So all we're going to be dealing with is just some leftover solution right here and stuff. So nothing too crazy. We just got to get that squeegee out. It'll dry out. But overall, guys, real easy. Make sure you guys are doing the double shrink. It's gonna make your install a lot easier. It's high in here, guys. It's about 91, and tint dries real quick. But we got it in. Now we're just gonna hit this bottom edge, heat it up, and then we'll be all done. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos every Friday at 6 a.m. As always, Mark out. So all we're gonna be doing, guys, is pulling the tint, just like that, bring it back down. Same thing with the top, pull it up, and bring it back down. Oop. There we go. I probably should have my Mac Tech. There we go. So we don't want to be doing too much, but just enough. So that will be good right there. Okay, so let's shrink this real quick again, and then you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about. So we're pretty much going to be creating fingers. So just work our way back down, re-shrinking the film. So you see how we got all this stuff bunched up now right here? Now this is going to help with the install, not fighting fingers across the bottom edge, because it's going to be a nightmare on the Passat. Alright, there we go. So this is done. Let's knock out this top now. There we go. Let's go on the other side. Same thing over here, guys. Let's give this a little lift right here. There we go. Give the top a little lift. A little more. There we go. All right. So now let's start heating this back up. Get our H pattern. So guys, if you could tell, this is real easy, real quick. Doesn't take long at all, but makes a big difference on the install. And that will be it, guys. Get this out. Bam. Maybe one more right here. And that's it, guys. So now that we got the double shrink done, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tint, and then you guys can see us install the tint, or well, watch me install the tint. But all right, guys, that's pretty much for the double shrink right now. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for the next video.